if you have forgotten to defrost the burgers or sausages for your barbecue, do not panic. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 safe ways to defrost your barbecue meat. 1, if you've planned ahead. 2, if you're in a rush and need it defrosted quickly. Okay, so if you've watched any of the videos on my channel before, you'll know I'm not one to gatekeep. So I'm going to start off with one of the quickest ways to defrost that is still safe, and it's my favorite because despite talking about food safety all day long, I'm actually a serial last-minute defroster. So this first method is using cold water, and honestly, it works brilliantly. So all you need to do is keep the meat in its packaging, or you can instead transfer it into a freezer bag if the packaging's already been opened, and then submerge it in a bowl or a sink of cold water. Don't be tempted to use warm or hot water. This will potentially make it unsafe, and then all you need to do is change the water every 30 minutes or so to make sure it stays nice and cold. Now, most barbecue meats will defrost in around 1 to 2 hours. These chipolato sausages took less than 30 minutes, and this pack of chicken, which we're going to use for some chicken burgers, took around an hour and a half to 2 hours. Now, the great thing about this method is that if your plans change, you can simply just pop the meat back into the fridge once you've defrosted it in the cold water, and you've still got that 24 hours from when it's fully defrosted before you need to worry about cooking it. That leads me on to the second method, which is the microwave. Now, I'll be honest, this is my least favorite method. It's the quickest, but microwaves will start cooking the outside of the meat while the middle is still frozen when you defrost in the microwave. So if you use this method, make sure you're ready to cook the meat immediately afterwards. Unlike the cold water, don't defrost it in the microwave and then put it in the fridge for later. And then last but definitely not least, let's talk the easiest way, which is to simply let your meat defrost in the fridge. Now, it's the easiest, but it's the slowest. But it is the best option if you've planned ahead. All you need to do is pop your packet of meat onto a tray or a plate in case any juices drip out, and then put that on the bottom shelf of your fridge, and you can forget about it for a day or 2 until it's barbecue time. Now, the fridge is a great way to defrost because it makes sure the meat stays at a safe temperature the whole time whilst it defrosts. But whatever you do, do not leave your meat sitting on the kitchen worktop for hours. The outside can warm up long before the middle has defrosted, and especially on a hot day, that gives bacteria on the outside of the meat perfect opportunity to multiply to unsafe levels. Not only that, defrosting at room temperature takes so much longer than the cold water method. But whatever method you choose, always make sure your meat is cooked right the way through before serving. So the easiest way is to use a food probe. If you don't have one though, you can cut into the thickest part of any of the meats and check that they're piping hot all the way through, and make sure that no pink meat remains. So there you go, there's 3 safe ways to defrost your barbecue meat. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to save this video so you've got it handy for the next time you forget to take the burgers out the freezer.